Hello, it's Dr. Elizabeth Alter. So, are you confused about cooking oils? I know I've been. It seems that some oils you can cook with at a high heat, and some you can't, and some, if you cook with them, then you change their healthy benefits, things like this. So, what are the oils that you can cook with that tolerate high heat? Usually, one of the good ones is coconut oil. Um, Coconut oil, though, sometimes, depending on what you're cooking, you may not want it to have that coconut flavor. So you need other options. Um, One of the other options is ghee. So ghee is interesting in that it is butter, but it's clarified butter. So what that means is that it's butter without the milk component. So it's an interesting taste. It's a little different. It's almost like a nutty flavor instead of the usual butter taste. And I've cooked with it sometimes, and it's okay. It's not great, but it's okay. The other one is avocado oil. But again, with avocado oil, it can have a little bit of the taste of avocado. But depending on the brand, it may not be so, you may not get so much of the flavor of avocado. Then another one is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil, it's a little mixed reviews. So some health professionals don't necessarily like grapeseed oil. So, but it's one of the options in terms of, let's say you want to fry something, it may be an option. Now, olive oil, I'd be a little careful with olive oil with high heat. You can use it with low heat, but if you use it at high heat, it tends to change the good properties of the olive oil. And then there's some that are really not as popular. So, for instance, hazelnut oil, which I've rarely seen in the supermarket. Macadamia nut oil I've seen, but again, it's not very common either. And then there's palm fruit oil, palm kernel oil, and dark roasted sesame oil. That one is interesting because roasted sesame oil, it's a very strong taste. So, and it's dark. Obviously, it's dark roasted. So that one is better maybe for stir fries because you have to use it at a lower temperature. But yeah, there's a lot of controversy over nut oils and things like this. But just doing your best and knowing that the top ones are probably, it's best to stick to coconut oil. But again, coconut oil, you can use high heat. The avocado oil, you can use high heat. And then things like olive oil, you want to use it with low heat. Well, I hope this helps, and have a healthy day.